power steering pump has just self-destructed, sending metal particles all around the power steering pump system. How do you get them out? How do you make sure you've got all of them? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
When a power steering pump destroys itself, it's usually pretty dramatic. Either it's due to heat or a failure of one of the components, but you can be guaranteed that it's going to leave little metal particles all around the system. It could be trapped in the cooler, it could be trapped in the reservoir or the other lines. So when you install that brand new pump, well, that debris could be going into that pump, potentially damaging it. So how do you prevent this? Well, first of all, perform a good flush. Make sure that the cooler is clean and all the reservoir and lines are flushed. But you can also install a filter on the return line to capture any debris that's still left in the system. This will ensure that the new power steering pump lasts a lot longer. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.